Hi, I'm Czerwinski, a carpenter with over 30 years in the trade. Sometimes it's hard to believe that I'm that old guy. Here are the 5 things that I can't live without on the job site. Hammers. Hammers are probably the first tool people are going to associate or relate to a carpenter. When I was first starting out building, couldn't give me a big enough hammer, a 28, 32 ounce. All the while, the guys at the other end of the wall, the old guys, would swing some kind of a 19 ounce Vaughn. Generally, they were probably faster and twice as efficient than us kids as well. Every carpenter needs a quality set of pouches. Tool pouches need to not only withstand the often brutal seasonal changes around here, but they need to fit properly, having it be comfortable while you wear it, while you're building or climbing gang forms for 8 or 10 hours a day, just allows your body the opportunity to last longer. Paws are nothing more than small nail pullers. They fit in one of the sleeves on your pouch. Most of the time, they're used to fix most of our mistakes we make, but they can also work as a mini pry bar on the other end. For concrete carpenters, almost all of our work is temporary. We use a ton of double head nails just to build things long enough so that we can pour the concrete into them, reach its strength, pull all the nails, strip the formwork, and do it all again the next day. iPads. Rather than carrying pouches with folded up sketches or a bucket full of rolled up drawings, I have everything I need right at my fingertips. Not only is every page of every print here, but when I use Bluebeam Studio, then I always have the latest revision and I have access to every RFI on the job right at the spot where we need it. Embracing this kind of technology has cut down on rework and sped up turnaround time in the field for those kind of issues tenfold. Attitude. We're hardwired, I would say, to make excuses and see problems rather than a solution. This kind of negativity just brings down the morale and the productivity on the jobs. I'd rather have 10 team players than one superstar jerk. Getting everyone to play nice in the sandbox is unfortunately the biggest challenge I have on a job site. A lot of tools are critical in the life of a carpenter, but it's the intangibles that really take us to the next level. Again, I'm Czerwinski, concrete superintendent. I appreciate you guys watching. Thanks. Be safe.